You've been using Dermaroller for 2 months and you do not see results. Here's why. Many people ask me, it's very common question, why I do not see results or when I will see results. Let me tell you a little bit about me. I am the owner and founder of Ginambre Beauty microneedling tools that has real individual needles. I've been in microneedling industry for over 4 years right now. I know what my clients asking. First, most common question, how do I dermaroll? And I have an entire playlist on YouTube over here that it's called Dermarolling. You can go over there and there's going to be close to 100 videos just about microneedling, how to use it. So this answer is clear for everybody, I think, over here. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click that red button, subscribe, and leave me a thumbs up. Second question that people ask me, it is when I will see results or when they use already. You guys, if you're using microneedling and you do not see results, when you will see that result. So, I was thinking last night, how do I make this video? How do I explain? I have clients, like I literally have clients that they use one-time Dermaroller and they had results. I have clients that use 6 months Dermarolling for 6 months and they do not see results. Why is that? So let me tell you, like, for example, there are two identical twins, right? Identical, look the same, everything is the same. They can eat the same food, but one maybe gonna get chubbier and another one gonna stay lean. Maybe they gonna go together, work out to the gym. One gonna get faster and another one gonna take a little bit more time. Have you noticed there are two friends sometimes and they exercise the same and one is a little bit have more six-pack and another one doesn't? So why is that? So simply because our bodies are different. Our skin is different. Our organs are different. Our chromosomes, DNA, genetics, everything is different. Two identical people can use Dermaroller and have results differently. This is like really what I can explain today. I have a client that dermarolled her hair one time, just one time, and she got amazing results. I have a person, a man, that dermarolled for 1 year and then saw results. So why is that? Depends on a lot of factors. Age. The older you are, the more time it's gonna take to see results. Depends why you're using Dermaroller. If you're using for acne scars or any kind of scars like stretch marks, that can take up to 3 years. And the problem here, people dermaroll 1 time, 2 times, 1 month, 2 months, and they give up. And this is why you do not have results, because you give up too early. It's like in life, if you go to the gym or in any kind of situation, in business, like over here in this Ginambre Beauty business, I hustle for 2 years. First 2 years, I hustle. I work for 12, 14 hours every day without seeing crazy results. And only 3rd year, last year, I started seeing results. When you go to the gym, when you start exercising and you wanna lose weight, do you think you're gonna lose weight in 1 month? Maybe a little bit, but maybe you're gonna need a year or 2 years, depends how many pounds, how many kilos do you have on your body. That can take a month, that can take 6 months, depends on your metabolism. My metabolism is very fast, but my neighbor's metabolism is not that fast. So maybe for me, it's gonna take 3 months to get rid of 10 pounds. Maybe for my neighbor, actually, it's gonna take a year, because some people is just are like this, the way they are. And this is a part of the nature. It's like you see in the ocean, some fish can be big, some fish can be small. We're all different. We're all different. We are Homo sapiens, but we're all different. Our bodies work differently. I can eat vegetables. Maybe my friend cannot eat vegetables. I mean, it's very hard for me to eat raw vegetables. I get gassy. Most of the friends, they can eat raw vegetables and it's fine. Like, I can eat a lot of fat and I'm fine. Some of my friends cannot eat a lot of fat. They get fatigued. So you see, guys, we all have a stomach. We all have skin. We all have a digestion tract, and we are all different. You can eat dairy milk. I cannot. It's like, I use Dermaroller, I see results in 1 month. You use Dermaroller and you do not see results in 1 month. And another thing, of course, your age, your race, your gender. Man can take a little bit longer because they have thicker skin. Women can be faster. older ladies, older people tend to have a little bit more time frame that to see results because skin rejuvenates not that fast. The younger you are, your skin gonna have faster results. The less you have, if you have acne scar, stretch marks, the fresher the scar, the more chances for you to see results sooner. 18 years old and a 60 years old woman gonna have different results at a different time because of the age. Skin rejuvenates really, really differently when you're 18 and when you're 60. So in my conclusion over here, there is no answer why you don't have results right away. But in the long explanation, in the long term, I just want to ask you something. Be patient. Dermaroller is scientifically proven. Doesn't matter what you have. Do you have Dermaroller or do you use Aqua Stamp? With this can take a little bit longer. This is greater to use if you have like targeted scars somewhere or under eyes. This is great for under eyes. This is more professional home use device. If you haven't watched video, I'm gonna put somewhere in the top. You can check this video out. This is a great tool to use at home. This actually, I have some estheticians using in their offices. Really, really high quality microneedling tool. It's like Dermapen, it's called AquaPen. You can put serum inside over here. You can take this out. You can put serum and microneedle of your face. Depends what tool you're using. If you're using like a cheap, crappy wheel Dermaroller that doesn't have a real needles, I actually trademark the needles that I have. I have really, really high quality. What I don't tell you guys, I don't invest money in this and in this. You know where I invest money? In the needles. I don't care quality of this. I don't care quality of the handle. What I care is the needles. I really, really invest money in needles, and also depends what quality, how often are you using, are you following the protocol. The same again, like you want to lose weight. If you go to the gym, I have a friend, she goes to the gym every day, sometimes twice a day, and guess what, she has more weight than I do because I see what she's doing at night, eating pasta, eating a lot of carbs right before bed. Guess what is carb? Sugar. Carbs at night, sugar become fat. Here we go. It's the same with Dermarolling. What kind of Dermaroller are you using? Are you using right size? Do you start with the smallest size? I had a client that was using 1.5 on the face every week, but you cannot do this. And she's like, why I don't see results? Well, that's why I don't see results, because you're not using it properly. If you know which tool to use, how often, what to apply after, be patient. Follow all the protocol. Don't go to the sun, don't go exercise, don't apply any exfoliating burning acids that's gonna burn your skin. If you really know how to use it, you will know that you can see results. I have multiple people, multiple clients. I'm gonna put some pictures over here that have amazing results, beautiful results. If they can, if I have, you can too. And sometimes I also have this doubt, do I really have results using microneedling tool? And then when I take my pictures 5 years ago, when I didn't use microneedle tools, and I look at my face right now, I see that I am still looking the same age. So even though if I'm not getting younger, I don't think so if somebody can go younger besides doing plastic surgery. But if I'm still keeping looking the same, even 5 years after, like when I was 29 and now at 34, I still kind of look the same. That's amazing. That's cool. Take a look at your older pictures and maybe you do have results, but you just don't realize it. So I hope this video helps you guys. If you have any more questions, please leave me down below in the comment sections. I will be happy to answer. Check out other my Dermaroller videos. Go, as I told you in the beginning, to Dermarolling playlist here on YouTube, and you can find a lot of information that I share over there. And this is all about, this channel is all about natural beauty, how to maintain looking naturally youthful, naturally healthy, feeling good. I am really, really passionate about natural beauty. I'm more into like a holistic way. I use only organic natural products after microneedling. You can check out my line, ginamber.com. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I see you in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye. If you have any questions, let me know.